If we look at dollar yen, this is another pair which has made a very prominent move, and the previous resistance levels have turned into support marks. I suggest we start to look at the weekly chart, as it is probably the most informative for this pair right now. The weekly chart provides us support and resistance levels. These are Fibonacci levels from the decline of 2015-2016. We are now getting closer to retracement of 50% of this decline, and this Fibonacci level is located around 112.40. The pair managed to close last week above 110 mark. This is a very big move. Last week we were speaking about resistance provided by the weekly moving averages, which currently lie in the area of 108.50. These moving averages, which were breached to the upside, now have the role of support. So this is the main support level for this week, 108.50. And surely this previous resistance levels of 110 and 109.20 will also play the roles of support. All in all, we can see that after we breached from this uptrend, which was formed in October, we have actually, the size of this uptrend was about 500 points, and we have already reached the size of this movement projected to the upside. So we have already reached the main targets. Also, the moving averages on the weekly chart are about to show a negative intersection. The 50-day moving average is getting below 200-day moving average, and we see that stochastics indicator is in the overbought territory. MACD indicator shows us that there is still potential for increase in this pair, but as the rally was very intense, we can expect a kind of correction to the area of the moving averages line, to the area of 38.2% retracement at 109.20 before the US dollar will try to test higher levels and will try to get to 112.40 and probably even the next level, the next psychological level at least, which is located around 115. Let's put it at the chart. Here it is, 115. We have also here the 100-week moving average, and this may be the next target for dollar yen. But as many players must have fixed their profit around 110 mark, then we need to wait for some retracement in the pair. Let's switch to the daily chart. Here we also see that stochastic is in a very overbought area and MACD is also high. For now, dollar yen has been moving to the upside without any sizable corrections. Here we see that on the daily chart, the 50-day moving average is moving higher, and in some time it will cross the 200-day moving average to the upside, and this will strengthen this move of the pair to the upside. At the 4-hour chart, we can see that the moving averages are rising. They are in order showing the uptrend, but the recent highs of the price are not confirmed by highs of indicators of MACD indicator, so we should expect a correction. And here as well we have levels around 108.50 to watch as our targets as support level. This is the main target for this week for dollar yen.